Welcome back, guys. This is Awais back with another video on the channel, and today we are going to be learning WordPress. Now, I bought the domain awaismirza.com, which is going to be a blog website. You guys know that I make programming tutorials and some other software tutorials on my channel. My brother Umar is making videos on programming as well here. So what we were thinking about is setting up a blog. So whenever I create a code or a tutorial, I will try to upload the source code onto my website so you guys can go and download. So I didn't have a blog, but luckily I got Awaismirza.com. It's the same name as our YouTube channel. So yeah, I bought it from GoDaddy. They're not sponsoring me or anything. So yeah, it's just I like GoDaddy. I bought all the domains on GoDaddy. So yeah, so I bought a domain and hosting. So first of all, we are going to go to my domains. All right. So here I have bought few websites. So here I have awaismirza.com. Now in this video we are going to take a look at how we can set up a WordPress on GoDaddy platform. And this hosting basically is you have a managed WordPress hosting, which is a little bit faster than normal Linux hosting. That's what I'm using here. So I basically click on awaismirza.com and then click on build a website. Now once I click on build a website, it will give me some options. Here we have a WordPress builder, manage WordPress. So here it's telling me set it up, right? Because I've already bought it. That's why I'm getting this option. So I'm going to click on setup, and let's take a look at what setup we need to do to create a website on WordPress using GoDaddy. So here it's asking us, you haven't created a site. Let's just add a site. And I'm saying I'm building a new site. Let's just get started with that. And I'm going to pick a domain, awaismirza.com. I'm going to click on next. And here it's saying choose a data center. So it says North America. Yeah, that's pretty good because, American data centers would be faster. Not exactly, it'd be the same, but yeah, I'll choose North America. Let's click on next. And I'll create a WordPress username and password. So, right, so password match, let's go and install the WordPress. I'm going to click on that and hopefully it will start installing WordPress. So yeah, I like this platform. I've run a lot of my client website on GoDaddy. Their hosting is okay. So it's just installing WordPress. Now, while it's installing, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna be creating a lot more videos on this channel, and and also my brother Umar created a new channel which is about tips and tricks, and we're gonna create a lot of mobile apps tips and tricks and computer tips and tricks on that channel. I drop a link in the description. Please check that out. It's taking a bit longer than I expected, but yeah, I'll just pause the video here and I come back when it's done. Alright, so now it's been successfully installed. So we click on go to dashboard. Let's click on WP admin. I'm just going to click on that. It's going to take me to the WP admin panel where I could install the WordPress wizard. So let's click on start wizard, and after that we're gonna type select the industry. So we are going to create a website for technology, right? So I don't see any. Well, let's just say education. Yeah, and I'll just say Awaismirza. Let's say programming with me. Right, so that's the tagline. We can type in here. It says website plus a blog. So I'm just going to click on continue, and it's going to ask me some of my contact details. So I'll type my email here. I'll type my number. It's asking me to select a theme. Well, I'm going to actually use my own theme later on, but we will just have a look at a few of the themes here. So let's just have a look at this theme. This is like a services blog, contact us, getting started. Now this theme is alright. but I'll try a different one. So we'll just go and let me just select the theme, something like this one, Minis. I assume these are not premium themes, but still not bad. So yeah, let's cancel out and we'll just look at this one. Well, I'm gonna select what of the theme I can get hands on to, so I'm just gonna select this one, right? That looks alright to me. But later on I will be using the premium theme called Vapula, which is my favorite theme in WordPress. So yeah, I'll drop a link for that theme as well, but yeah, let's just set it up later. So yeah, so this is the WordPress dashboard. So yeah, I have some of the GoDaddy options here, which I'm going to delete from the plugins. So yeah, here I have some plugins here automatically installed from GoDaddy. So yeah, that was a quick setup. I wanted to show you guys if anyone setting up the website. Yeah, let's see how I build a website in the next video. Cheers.